air fryer pizza. We wanted to show you a few different recipes for cooking pizza in the air fryer that you will love and that you can easily follow along with at home. From frozen mini pizzas to garlic bread to air fryer pizza roll-ups to an individual pan pizza, we have it all covered for you today. So sit down and relax and enjoy our video. Have you tried the air fryer free mini course? Are you new to the air fryer? Let me introduce you to our 5-day free quick start mini course. It answers a lot of beginner air fryer questions, gives you simple air fryer recipes to follow, and helps you get confident with your air fryer. You can get it for free at recipethis.com/ebooks or search recipethis.com for air fryer mini course. Air fryer mini pizza, one of my favourite quick pizza recipes to do in the air fryer. Simply load into the air fryer basket your mini pizzas. You can do as many that will fit without them going on top of each other in the air fryer. Then place them in, set your time and temp, and you will have perfect air fryer pizzas. These are fantastic because it doesn't matter if you've got a smaller air fryer, you can still cook these. And then, of course, load them onto a plate for serving and enjoy. Air Fryer Calzone, one of my favourites, and you can do it with spare pizza dough, a pie cutter, and your favourite pizza toppings. You simply roll out your dough just like you would with a normal pizza, but you're aiming for a size that will fit in your pie cutter instead. So shape it to make sure it fits. Cut it out round the edges. And I'll let you in on a little secret. It can be more like a loaded calzone that kind of splits open like the perfect supersized croissant if you add extra fillings and you overload it. So as you can see, there's your pizza base for your calzone. And it's a perfect fit. You now place it on there, give it a push so it fits nicely, and then load it up with your favourite toppings. I like just some quick tomato sauce. Normally it's a tomato sauce that I've made myself, but you could use any shop bought tomato sauce. And then, of course, choose your toppings. We're going with ham and cheese, but you could use any you liked. So add in your ham, grab your cheese, and load it with as much cheese as you like. On a side note, I never got to try this because our eldest son had it and we only made one, so I never got to see what it tasted like. But he did say it was yummy. And then, of course, you cut in the pie cutter, pushing it down as far as it will go. And if you look, some of your fillings will come out the edge, and that's okay because that's what you want. And then once you've done this, make sure you press down hard on it, otherwise it won't seal and it won't give you that lovely cutting that you get when you use one of these. And then simply brush it with egg wash and it's ready to go in the air fryer. And it's just a fantastic calzone version of making a pizza. And then it's golden, it's lovely, and it's like a French croissant. Air fryer garlic bread, another one of my favourites, and I often use spare pizza dough from this too. If I make some pizza dough and there's a little left over, it'll either be calzone or a garlic bread. So roll it out first. You want to make sure it's going to fit the size of your pizza pan, and of course to choose a pizza pan that fits the size of your air fryer. So of course you can see here that this pizza dough is enough to make two. So you could do 2 garlic breads, you could do a pizza, whatever you wanted. And then of course what I do is I dot, do some more dots, and this ensures that the garlic and the oil slips into the holes and you don't just have the garlic flavour on top, and it makes such a big difference when making garlic bread. So mix up your garlic. I always add lots and lots of garlic. Come on, I live on the Mediterranean. Oregano. And then olive oil. It's always got to be extra virgin olive oil because it's so much nicer and so much better for you. And then once you've given it a good mix, you want to be loading it up onto your garlic bread and giving it a good brush round. And then it's ready for the air fryer. Open your air fryer basket, load in your garlic bread, and then when it's done, it'll be beautiful and golden like this and perfect for tucking into straight away. Air fryer pizza rolls. This is something new and fun that us Milners started doing, and it's just using a pack of your traditional pizza dough that we've actually made in our bread machine. And what we do is we roll it out, and we're doing it to a normal pizza size, but because you can't get something of that size in the air fryer, we're doing something different. So start with your traditional tomato sauce, cheese, more cheese of course. You can never have enough cheese on a pizza, right? And then you're going to slice it. You know, normally you would slice a pizza once it's cooked. We're going the other way around with this. And you do it into whichever pizza slices you want. And then what you're doing is you're filling it up with cheese and rolling each piece up. So then once the pieces have all been rolled, you're then filling an air fryer baking tray with them, and they turn into pull apart pizza bread once done, and they are absolutely delicious. Though the cheese does leak out somewhat, but we all love mopping up cheese, don't we? So as you can see, that's a lot of gooey cheese. And then on with air fryer pizza. To make air fryer pizza, I'm using the leftovers from the air fryer garlic bread. And then what you're doing is you're cutting it out to size. As you can see, I've still got quite a lot there still to go at, which is wonderful because we all love pizza dough, right? And then you're going to cut out the pizza dough so that it's the perfect fit for your air fryer baking pan, because you'll often know with air fryer cooking, it's about getting something that fits in the air fryer. So on goes pizza sauce. I love a margherita, so that's what we're doing right now. Plenty of cheese on top of the pizza. And then I also love to add cherry tomatoes to my pizza, and then some Philadelphia cream cheese because it creates a wonderful topping on top of the pizza, and it's just a great way to enjoy your pizza. And then probably a sprinkling of oregano as well. And look, we've got perfectly cooked air fryer pizza. It really doesn't get any better than that, and you've got to love air fryer pizza, haven't you? Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.